Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that message search not working. When they do search, it doesn't show the result and only shows recent results. Then also the new filters features doesn't appear to work either. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check Siri suggestions. For that, launch Settings app. Find and tap on Siri and search. Scroll down and find Messages. Tap on it. Turn off Show App in Search and Suggestions notifications. Wait for few seconds and turn them back on. Solution 2. Change your language temporarily. For that, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Language and Region. Tap Add Language. Select a different one that you want to change. Then check if it works or not. Solution 3. Check Keep Messages. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, find and tap on Messages. Scroll down and tap on Keep Messages. Make sure that you have not selected 30 days or 1 year. If one of these options selected, messages will be deleted automatically after 30 days or 1 year. So select Forever. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To reset network settings, open the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.